Hey, this is Cody, and I'll be showing you how to install a shift boot. This is my Medusa shift boot from Stitch Boot. It was about 40 bucks, and it's kind of looking cool. I really like it. I wanted something interesting, something extra, something that would really spice up the interior, you know. And so I'll be showing you how to install it today. All right, let's go. Okay, what you want to do first is you're gonna want to take off your shift knob here. I bought this shift knob just for the Medusa shift boot because they match. I got this the other day as well. I got this off of Etsy. Super cheap, super good shift ball. But so yeah, so what you want to do is take this off. Then you got this this clip right here. It's spring loaded. So what you got to do is you got to get in here and take it off. It's spring loaded. See if I get this. It's kind of hard. That's that. That's the spring. Now you got to try to pop this up. I've seen a lot of guys do this like with just their hands, so it's not too hard. You want to disconnect it. And then there's some buttons here. And you're going to want to disconnect those as well. Gotta slide this out. So hold on. A little hard to slide out of there. I don't want to I could take this all apart too, but I don't think I want to. I think if I could just get it out of there, that'd be better. I gotta disconnect the wires. Or it's not behaving properly. It's not doing what I want. There we go. Now I use this tool right here, this trim tool, and there's a this wire needs to be disconnected. I don't know if you can see that. I can't move the camera, but this wire needs to be taken off of here so you can work with the shift boot. So I'm going to try to do that right now. Here it comes. There we go. All right, got it off. This is it. We'll be taking this off right now. All right, now it's kind of hard to see here, but these are the clips to hold it in. You'll be pushing those to get it undone. See these clips, you gotta push them like that, and they come undone. And then you get your shift boot out. Now there's some staples in here. I may try to reuse them, I don't know. But see right here, there's some staples. And then these, I'm gonna have to cut holes to, make the new shift boot fit. And I'm gonna be reusing this. So what you can do right now is take this out. This is your shift lock out. So you'll be taking this out. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get out these staples. You're gonna get them out. They're right here. Here, pry them out very gently because I plan to try to reuse these if I need to. Gotta get some pliers and rip this out. Now you got that off, you gotta take it off these the clips you popped out of there. I should release the shift boot from the retainer. This I'm probably gonna have to cut holes into to go over the clips. So I'll be using scissors to cut holes into the shift boot to go over the clips. Just little tiny holes and they'll go over the clip. Now that's on here, I'm going to be shoving it back into here after putting on this shift lock out. Now we'll be throwing it back into the thing here. There we go, popped it all on. All we gotta do is put it all back together. All right, so now we got that back together. All right, now we throw on the ball and I think we're done. All right, this is Cody, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please hit a like or subscribe or whatever you want to do. Thanks for enjoying my video, and yeah, that was it.